Dear friends, today we all gathered here to celebrate World Environmental Day. Celebrates every year on 5th of June. This day reminds us that it's our responsibility to protect our nature, save trees and keep our surroundings clean and make our planet a better place for future generations. Now we would like to present a short skit titled Mother Earth's Message. Protect our planet, it's the only one we have. Thank you and please enjoy our skit. Hello. Let's play. Hey, wait. What happened? The weather is becoming hotter every year. There are less greenery around us. We should do something to help nature.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Hello children. Who are you? I am Mother Earth. I am very sad. Why? What happened? Because people are cutting trees, waste water and throwing garbage in everywhere. We are sorry, Mother Earth. How can we help you? Plant trees, save water, reduce plastic use, keep our surroundings clean. I will plant a new tree every year. I will switch off the light and fan when not in use. I will use cloth bags instead of plastic bags. Wonderful! Small action make a big difference. All protect our environment and make our earth a better place. Plant more trees, save our planet, save water, save life. Save trees. Thank you.